Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home doing your revision, okay? So you have done revision. Lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So today we will do revision of 7, 8, 9. We will do only exercises, okay? So grammar, lesson 6, 7, 8 and 9, revision. Which revision of essay 1? Are you ready for essay 1 now? Yes. So, we will do it. Okay children? Yes. So, learning points. So, what we will do today? What we will learn? We will revise. We will revise about male, female, one, many and describing words. See, I have already taught these 3 lessons, but today only we will revise all the exercises. Okay children, so are you ready? First we will see about male, female, one, many, then the describing words. Okay, so now see your mother, girl and grandmother are names of female. See your mother, girl, grandmother are names of females. We have done this, no? Yes, sister, auntie, they all are names of females. And father, boy and grandfather are names of male. Father, boy and grandfather are names of male. We have learned this, no? Brother, uncle, yes, they all are the names of male. Okay children? So now we will match this. This is there in your textbook, no? Yes. So we will match. And we have done this. So I hope now you all have understood this. Yes. King. What will come? King. For king. Yes, it is. First we will read so that you will understand it. Okay children? So, yes. K-I-N-G, king. M-A-N, man. B-R-I-D-E, bride. G-R-O-O-M, groom. Bridegroom. Son, S-O-N, son. Then see here these words. Bride, B-R-I-D-E, bride. Daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. Queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Then comes woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Now see, we will match. You know? Very good. K-I-N-G, king. Where I have to match? King, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. See, I am matching it. Okay. King, queen. Man, M-A-N, man. What will come? See here the spelling. Very good. Man, woman. Bridegroom. See, B-R-I-D-E, G-R-O-O-M. Bridegroom. Where we have to match? Very good. Bride. B-R-I-D-E, bride. Son, And son, we have to match it with daughter. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Okay, children? You all have done this? See, again we will see. King, queen. King, queen. Man, woman. Bridegroom, bride. Son, daughter. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Naming words can be one or many. See, now we will learn one or many. Naming words can be one or many. We usually add s to show many. This we have done now first. This is your revision. So see, read again this. Naming words can be one or many. We usually add s to show many. We usually add s to show many. Understood, children? Yes. So now we will complete this table. See, this is given in your textbook. Complete this table. One, many. See, here all the words are one. And here more than one are called many. So here in this line, many is given. And we have seen that we are adding s to show many. Okay, children? See here. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. So what will be the many of girl? Yes, we have to add s. Girl. Girls. G-I-R-L-S. Girls. Understood, children? Pens. P-E-N-S. Pens. Then what will be your? What will be your? Pen. P-E-N. It is one pen. Your pens. Pen. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. What will be many? Kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Kite. Kites. Now see. One we have to write. Many are given. C-R-O-W-S. Crows. Add is there. So in one what we have to do? We have to yes, not write S. We have not to add S here. It is one. So C-R-O-W, crow. You have not to write S. Many crows. One crow. Okay, children? House. H-O-U-S-E. House. What will be here? Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. Houses. House. Houses. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Many will be trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. B-O-Y. Boy. One. What will come here? One. Boy. Only boy. Okay, children? Girl. Girls. Pen. Pens. Kite. Kites. Crow. Crows. House. Houses. Tree. Trees. Boy. Boys. Okay? Now see. you have to tick. See, read this. This will come. Tick the correct word to show many. What you have to do? You have to tick the correct word. Read the question again if you are not understanding. Tick the correct word to show many. Number 1 is girl. See your girl. What will come? We have to add S. I told no. It will come girl, only girl or girls. 2 options are given, girl and girls. So girl, where you have to tick? Girls. Understood? See again, I am showing you. Girl, girls. Again, see, girl, girls. So pen, where will come many? To show many, pen or pens? Pen, pens. Very good. See again, pen, pens. Now kite, kite. 2 options are given, kite and kites. So which will be the right one? K-I-T-E-S or K-I-T-E? Kite, kites. Kite, kites. So where you have to tick? Yes, where S is added. We are adding S not to show many. So kite, kites. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. What will come? Crows or crow? 2 options are given here. Crow, crows. Crow, crows. Okay. See again, I am telling you. Tick the correct word to show many. Girl, girls. Pen, pens. Kite, kites. Crow, crows. Understood, children? Yes. Okay? You all have understood? See here. Girl, girls. Pen, pens. Kite, kites. Crow, crows. Where we have to tick? Very good. Now see. Tick the correct word to show many. House, houses or only house? 2 options are given, houses and house. So where you have to tick? H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Houses. House, houses. Here you have to tick. House, houses. Tree, tree or trees? Tree, trees. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. You have learned this now? You have to add S to show many. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y-S, boys. Boy, boys. Boy, boys. Number 8 is office. Office, office, offices. Where S is added? O-F-F-I-C-E, office. O-F-F-I-C-E, office. O-F-F-I-C-E-S, offices. So where you have to tick mark? Yes, very good. Office, offices. See your number now. House, houses. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Office, offices. Understood, children? So tick the correct word to show many. These words will be given and options, 2 options are given. So in that you have to correct the correct one options. Okay, correct word to show many. Understood, children? Yes. House, houses. Okay. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Office, offices. Okay, now see. Describing words. Okay. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Do you understand? Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Okay, children? Yes. So I hope now you all are doing very well. Now see. Tick the correct describing words. See, you have to tick describing words. Okay. Options may be given. They put the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. We have seen, no, it describes naming word. So here the naming word is bed and green describes the bed. So the green is describing words. Understood? They put the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. So where you have to take? Green. Green bed. Okay. They put the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. Understood? See. They put the baby on a green bed. So where you have to take? On green. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Sentence number B. I watched a comedy film. I watched a comedy film. So your film is a describing word. So comedy will be describing word. Film is naming word. Comedy is describing words. Comedy describes the film. Okay, children? See now. I watched a comedy film. So comedy is describing word. Tell me describing word in this sentence. I watched a comedy film. Which word? Very good. Comedy. Understood? Yes. Now see this one. This sentence number C. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. So which will be the describing word? Magic. Okay? It describes the tricks. How were the tricks? Tricks were magic. So, children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. So, what will be the word? Magic. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Okay. Number D. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. So your beautiful is a describing word. It describes the waterfall. So where we have to take? Beautiful. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Beautiful is describing word. See now you tell me, we bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Which is describing word? Very good. Beautiful. Number E. The hungry dog looked at the bowl. The hungry dog looked at the bone. So describing word is hungry. Okay. Now you tell me. The hungry dog looked at the bone. Which is describing word? Which is the describing word? Very good. Hungry. You all are doing well. Okay. See now we will learn more sentences, okay? Yes, see here. Tick the correct describing words. Again we have to tick the describing words. Okay? Mary liked her new pen. Mary liked her new pen. So which is the describing word? New. Understood? See now you tell me. Mary liked her new pen. New is describing word. So tell me. Mary liked her new pen. Which is the describing word? Very good. New. Sentence 3. It is a dirty cloth. It is a dirty cloth. So, describing word is dirty. Okay. Now you tell me. It is a dirty cloth. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty cloth. So, describing word is? Which is the describing word? Very good. Dirty is the describing word. Sentence H. The circus is full of funny clowns. The circus is full of funny clowns. The circus is full of funny clowns. So what is the describing word here? Funny. Okay. This is a hot pan. So be careful. This is a hot pan. So be careful. Which is the describing word here? Hot. Okay. Hot is the describing word. Now see. This is a hot pen. So be careful. So where you have to tick the describing word? Hot. Okay. Now sentence J. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. So here the describing word is, which is the describing word? Very good. Colorful. Colorful. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. Now see children, you tell me this. Yes. Now see, Mary liked her new pen. Mary liked her new pen. So, new is the describing word. Okay? Number G. You tell me. It is a dirty cloth. It is a dirty cloth. So, which is the describing word here? Dirty. Very good. It is a dirty cloth. So, dirty is the describing word. Now, H. The circus is full of funny clowns. The circus is full of funny clowns. So, what is the describing word here? Tell me. We have done this now, just now. The circus is full of funny clown. Very good. Those are given answer. Now see. This is a hot pan. This is a hot pan. So be careful. So what is the describing word here? Hot. Hot is the describing word. You are right. Okay, children? This is a hot pan. So be careful. Sentence number J. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. Which is describing word here in this sentence? Yes, very good. Those are giving answer. Colorful. Okay, children. So now you all are knowing describing words? Yes? Very good. So now do your homework. Be regular. Do your revision. Okay, children? You want to do revision now of grammar? Yes. So you see it. Learn well. Do revision so that you will be able to prepare for, yes, for Essay 1 exam of grammar. Okay, children. Thank you all, and you all take care of your